Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. We're going to be sharing the 40th anniversary of Vectorworks design software, and I'll also be sharing my 25-year journey with this incredible software. So whether you're a fellow veteran or a new user to Vectorworks, this video is definitely for you. Vectorworks started back in 1985, 40 years ago, and back then it was known as MiniCAD. Created by DL Graphisoft. Today, Vectorworks is one of the most powerful and widely used CAD and BIM softwares out there on the market. It's used by architects, landscape designers, entertainment designers, and many other people designing creative industries. It's widely used because it's so intuitive. 2D, 3D, and BIM workflows are just part of the course, with great 3D modeling and also amazing rendering as well. So if you haven't used Vectorworks, I really recommend having a look at this video and seeing if you like the look of it. I started my personal journey with Vectorworks, or MiniCAD as it was called at the time, when I was a student back studying for a master's degree in architecture and computing at Sheffield University back in the late 90s. Back then, my computer, my first Mac, came with only 4 megabytes of RAM, but it was still amazing what I could produce with that kind of underpowered machine. It completely changed the way I work, and being able to render and model buildings using my computer was just mind-blowing to me at the time. It was like a light going off, and I realised that this was the future of my career, to blend architecture and my skills and excitement about computing together for the future. I still recall my final year thesis project. Here's a few images that I'd love to share with you. And these images, some of them took 72 hours to render. You know, these days you can do that just in a few minutes, which is incredible. Or, you know, basically with real-time rendering in no time at all, at of course a much better level of quality. Over the years, I've modeled housing, offices, all sorts of civic projects, and also complete landscapes using Vectorworks and related software. It really truly has been a wonderful backbone of my career. 25 years later, I still rely on Vectorworks every day for my own personal projects, but also my real passion, as you know, is teaching and training and sharing that knowledge with you all over the world. So what are your personal favourite tools? Well, a couple of mine are obviously the walls, windows and doors, slabs and roofs. The architectural and full BIM workflow is something that I find super exciting and very efficient as a way to work. All of my drawings come from my 3D model, and as soon as I make any changes to that model, all of my drawings and my plans, sections, elevations and renders just update dynamically. So once you've got architectural changes coming through the design process, this is an absolute dream workflow. One of the things I admired most about Vectorworks as a tool is how it's evolved over the years. I've been a beta tester for many years, so had a little bit of input into its development, and it's a great team of people from all over the world these days that contribute to this incredible software. With new features like Marionette, the data tags, Redshift rendering, and also the Vectorworks cloud services, I've basically been able to transform the way I work and share my designs with my customers and clients. Another thing that's made this journey so enjoyable is the wonderful Vectorworks community. It's a really good community of designers who care about creativity, and joining that community felt very special. I've been a close partner with Vectorworks UK for many years, and I continue to help people get their software with good advice and basically learn how to use it to the maximum. Over the years, Vectorworks has helped me grow professionally my business, and now that I teach and train wonderful customers from all over the world, it's extremely enjoyable to see what they do with this incredible software. It made me a more efficient designer, a better communicator, and to be honest, much more creative than I ever thought possible on the computer. As we all look ahead to this exciting world of very fast-paced development, I'm super excited to see where Vectorworks is going with the latest addition, things like the AI visualizer and the recent Maxon real-time rendering plugin announcement coming later this year. I think it's a very good time to be on board with Vectorworks. So everybody, if you're a Vectorworks user and you've enjoyed this video, I would love to hear your story. Please pop some comments into the channel. Let's talk about the software that we've been using all these years. Let's get a bit of a community going for this video. And if you're new around here, and maybe this will give you a bit of a nudge to give Vectorworks a try, maybe just download a trial from my link. You know, if you're currently using other software like AutoCAD, SketchUp or Revit, I'm sure that you will find the journey into Vectorworks very exciting, refreshing, and Vectorworks will be able to do everything you require in all of those bits of software in one nice package. So guys, if you are new around here, please drop a like on the video. It helps the algorithm and more people to find the video. So here's to 40 years of innovation. Congratulations to Vectorworks. And I'm looking forward to continuing my personal journey along into the future with this most incredible software. I'm here to help you with your journey, so please reach out to me if I can help with any teaching or training, and I look forward very much to hearing your thoughts about your experiences with Vectorworks too. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care everybody, and bye bye.